Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and unbox the vintage Coach Casino bag. So here's the bag, here's the crossbody strap, and here is the Casino bag itself. It's in the color British Tan, style number 9924, made in the US, and it was made in the year 1994. And as you can see, it comes with the original box and tissue paper. So this is a great little crossbody bag. It's really cute. And what's great is that it comes with this detachable crossbody strap. So here's how you would attach the strap. And then it also comes with a top handle, which is really nice to have as well. It's got a turn lock closure here on the front. Here's how you'd open and close the bag. Here's what the sides look like. And here's the back. It does have a slip pocket on the back, and of course it comes with a matching hang tag. It says Coach on both sides of the hang tag. And then when we open the bag, it actually has the original registration card, this little booklet with information on Coach as a brand, as well as the original little inspection tag. So just really nicely preserved bag, and it comes with the original tissue paper as well. And then it's got this little slip pocket along the interior of the bag, as well as the creed is stamped back there. I'll insert a photo of the creed so you can see it a little bit more easily as well. So that is the beautiful vintage Coach Casino bag, and this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below in case you are interested, as well as there are links to follow us on social media, as well as join our email list below in the description box. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.